Good afternoon or evening, judges. I'm Demaya Sanford, and this is our Hack Duke project for the health track. Our inspiration comes, quite frankly, from living through a global pandemic. I pitched this idea to the group after being routinely tested for COVID-19 and noticing an issue during my current healthcare administration internship, whereas the Quality Improvement Department has begun struggling to keep up with data entry and reporting despite having a robust EHR software. We have created a desktop application called Mrcovidvidfinn, which stands for Machine Reporting, in order to differentiate itself from the manual process-intensive reporting practices in use by healthcare facilities and testing sites in the U.S. today. Our application will help healthcare workers keep their central EHR separated from confusion and overlap with their COVID reporting. Mrcovidvidfinn is for use by healthcare professionals to record patient health information, COVID test results, and automatically communicate results to patients via email as they are updated in the system. These results are also then used by the healthcare facility to generate positivity and demographic reports for their own records to report to the state.
Hello, my name is Raymond Lennon, and I'm going to be talking about the backend development for the Mrcovidvidfinn dashboard. Making this application was divided into two parts. Java FXML, which looks, as you can see on the left, a lot like HTML. It's a markup language that defines the structure of elements like buttons and text entry fields on the page, and it's controlled by Java, which you can see here on the right, which handles things like button presses and page switches. It also can read and store data that's stored locally on the user's computer. So that would include things like patient data as well as COVID-19 statistics.
My name is Connie Vi, and each scene serves a purpose of functionality for the program by having text bubbles, drop-down menus, checkmark boxes, and buttons to save and submit information.
Hello, my name is Sneha J. Kumar, and I'll be talking about the provider information section and the send lab results to patients section of our Mrcovidvidfinn app. Both of these sections were created using a GUI called Scene Builder. The page would take in information about the lab date and also send a message out to the patient notifying them of the results of the test. Similarly, the provider information section would take in information about the provider and their testing site.
My name is Sebastian Matlas, and I help the team with the setup of data visualization. All the scripts were written in .r/html format, take in CSV as an input, and return graphs for the past day, week, month, and year.